Determine the equation of a line having a y-intercept of -3 and it's perpendicular to the line connecting the points 4, 3 and -1, 1. So we have to find out the equation of a line which has got a y-intercept of -3, meaning the line is going to intersect the y-axis in the negative direction. So that means let's say this is the point A through which the line is going to pass, and it's the distance or the length OA, that's the y-intercept, is equals to -3. Fine. Now there's another condition given here that we have two other points 4, 3 and -1, 1. So 4, 3, let's say it lies in the first quadrant. We have the other point with the coordinates -1, 1. So let's say this lies in the second quadrant. We're going to name the coordinates as point B and point C. So let's join point B and point C with the help of a straight line. Now we need to find out the equation of a line A such that it is perpendicular to the line BC. So let's sketch a line which is perpendicular to line BC and it also passes through the point A. So here we have the line L and this line is perpendicular to the line BC. Now, in order to find out the equation of the line, we need two information because we're going to use the slope-intercept form of the line, which is given by y equals to mx plus c. We need the slope of the particular line and we'll also need the y-intercept of the line. Now, in our case, the y-intercept, the value of c that's given to us, it's -3, but we'll need to find out the slope. Let's say the slope of line. We can begin by finding out the slope of the line BC. We're going to denote it by the letter M1. This will be equals to, we need the difference of the y coordinate and divide it by the difference of the x coordinate. So let us suppose that B corresponds to x1, y1 and C corresponds to x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, that's going to be 3 minus 1. We have 3 minus 1 divided by the difference of the x coordinate, which is 4 minus -1. So we have 4 minus -1. So we're going to get the result as 2/5. This is going to be the slope of line BC. Now let's consider that slope of line L is M2. So we're considering it to be M2. We know for a fact that if two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the product of the slope equals -1. So M1 value, that's 2/5. Multiplied to M2, that will be -1. So solving for M2, we're going to get M2 equals to -5/2. So this is going to be the slope of line L. Now we have M2, the slope of the line is -5/2, and we have the y-intercept C, that's -3, which implies that the equation of the line will be equals to y equals to -5/2, that's the slope, multiplied to x, plus the y-intercept, so that's -3. Okay, now let's multiply throughout with 2. So we get 2y equals to -5x minus 6. Rearranging the terms, we get 5x plus 2y plus 6 equals to 0. And this is going to be the required equation of the line, which has got a y-intercept of -3 and it is perpendicular to the line formed by joining the points B and C.